Understanding the Mocha Decision, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms with our focus on the phrase, Mocha Decision. Idioms are a key part of mastering any language, and understanding them can add flavor to your conversations. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a figurative meaning different from its literal meaning. These phrases are often used in everyday English and can be puzzling to learners because their meanings cannot be deduced from the meanings of the individual words. The phrase, Mocha Decision, isn't a standard idiom in English. However, let's break it down. Mocha is a type of coffee that combines coffee with chocolate, representing a blend or a choice between two things. So, a Mocha decision could be interpreted as a decision where you need to choose between two appealing options, much like choosing between coffee and chocolate. 1. Contextual use. You can use Mocha Decision in situations where you're faced with a choice between two good options. For example, choosing between the job offer in New York and the one in Paris was a real Mocha decision. 2. Metaphorical use. This phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe a situation that is a mix of two elements. Example, working in a startup is a Mocha decision. It's challenging yet rewarding. Between a rock and a hard place, unlike Mocha Decision, this idiom indicates a choice between two difficult options. 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. This phrase means that two choices are equivalent. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, Mocha Decision, and idioms in general. Remember, idioms can add color and depth to your language skills, so don't hesitate to use them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language adventure.